Hi, my name is Kira, and this 6-class series is called Reformer from Scratch. The goal of this series is to introduce you to your reformer and also teach you step by step how to do the exercises in the basic system. And then once you cover the basic system, we'll start layering on exercises from the intermediate system. Every class in this series is guided by a theme to make your workouts feel less overwhelming. For example, in the first class, you'll work on how to do each exercise step by step while focusing on how to scoop your abdominals in and up. The next class, you'll focus on what we call hugging your midline. And then the third class, we will focus on opposition. And then the following 3 classes is when you get to layer on some intermediate exercises and progress your workout even further. This series is all about building foundational skills for your practice. So you'll have the opportunity to repeat the same exercises over and over again with different themes until you feel like you can embody the exercises. And once you feel confident with the exercises, we'll start to flow with the exercises that you know, and then we'll start adding more challenging exercises where you'll start focusing on the step-by-step technique of those. This series is perfect for you if you just bought a reformer and you're like, okay, now I don't know what to do. Or maybe you started taking reformer classes and you feel overwhelmed because you're in a class with 8 to 12 other people and you really want to take your time and understand how to do the exercises so you can feel like you're getting strong and you feel confident in everything that you're learning. I created this exercise so that when you're practicing Pilates, you don't feel like you're just moving for the sake of moving. You realize that there's a real purpose or a goal behind each exercise, and through repetition, you get to work closer to the goal of the exercise. And when you work closer to the goal of the exercise, you'll start to get stronger. Your posture will start to change. You'll have less pain in your body, and you just move and feel better in your daily life. And that's really the goal of your Pilates practice. So I really look forward to working out with you on the reformer. And what I highly recommend, look for my series called Mat from Scratch, because the workouts complement one another perfectly and you will maximize the results of your practice.